Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my horror pack unboxing, and this is for the month of November. And I know it's December 1st and I'm just now filming this, but I've been extremely busy with stuff, and I do have a coupon code that I will have listed down in the description box if you guys want to go ahead and get subscribed to HorrorPack. If you are somebody who is obsessed with horror movies, or you just want to start a horror movie collection, I think this is the best way to start something like that, because they give you 4 titles each month. You can pick from Blu-ray to DVD, whatever your preference is. You can also pay monthly. I think it's 3 months to 6 months, and then yearly, I believe. If not, I will correct myself when I edit this video. And yeah, so they totally give you so many ways to fit your budget and your lifestyle, and it's just, I don't know, if you love horror, you will love stuff like this, because it gives you mainstream movies, it gives you underground movies, it gives you movies that you've never seen or heard of. Yes, sometimes you will get cheesy horror movies, because let's face the facts, there are some cheesy ass horror movies out there. I've seen them, and I'm sure you guys have seen them. So yeah, I will have a coupon down below. Check it out if you are interested. And with all other ado, let me hush this mouth of mine and let's get into this video. The first movie that I am pulling out is Bloodline: Terror Has Awakened. So it says, a true battle of good versus evil, a horror cult film. And this is this is a HorrorPack limited edition Blu-ray. One thing I do want to throw out there is the HorrorPack limited edition movies are a hit and miss. Sometimes they're really good, sometimes they're terrible. It just depends on your preference of horror movies and like what you get into. So he's on a trip with friends and an old flame. He goes to explore a cabin surrounded in mystery and legend. There he discovers the true nature of his heritage, fatal temptation, or triumphant redemption. His life and the lives of his friend hang in the balance. So it kind of reminds me of like The Wrong Turn. They go on a trip and then they end up getting messed with and all that stuff. Alright, the next one kind of made me laugh as soon as I saw it. It's called Dead Ant. And the thing that really got me going is it's a Spinal Tap meets Tremors. Now, the first Tremor movie was really good, but when they just kept going and going with Tremors, it just kept getting worse and worse and worse. So when I saw that this was like Spinal Tap meets Tremors, I'm like, oh my god, this is gonna, excuse me, this is gonna be horrifying, hilarious, or it's not gonna catch my attention at all. And so this is called Dead Ant, and this looks more to be like a comedy horror. And it says that when the 80s one-hit wonder glam metal band Sonic Grave embarks on a road trip to Coachella in hopes of a comeback, their Piat trip pit stop in Joshua Tree inches a grisly attack, and they must say rock themselves out of harm's way. So I'm pretty sure this is going to be horrifying. I can already tell just by the back of the movie that the CG is going to be terrifying. So that is the second one that came in November's box. Alright, and the third one we got is The Conjuring. And I already own this, so this is going to go in my giveaway. As soon as I get, I think what I'm going to do is like my own horror pack giveaway. I'm going to wait until I get one more movie that I already own, and then I'll do like a horror pack giveaway to you guys, to anybody who wants these movies or don't own them. So yeah, we got The Conjuring, very good movie. I actually like this series. I'm waiting for, I think it's 2 more movies. I think they're coming out with a Conjuring 3 or 4. And then they're coming out with a Slender Man, I think. There's a couple more movies to the Conjuring universe. And I can't wait. Alright. And then the last movie is Flatliners. You haven't lived until you've died. So this is what the movie looks like. My husband said that this movie looks very familiar to him. I've never seen this movie. I've never even heard of this movie. Like, there's only one actress that looks familiar, and that's this girl right here. So it says, 5 medical students assess by the mystery of what lies beneath the conflicts of life embark on a daring and dangerous experiment. By stopping their hearts for short periods of time, each triggers a near-death experience, giving them a first-hand account of the afterlife. But as their experiments become intentionally dangerous, they are each haunted by the sins of their past, brought on by a supernatural coincidence of trespassing to the other side. So that sounds pretty interesting. This to me kind of seems more sci-fi than horror. So we'll just have to see and give it a go. And it is PG-13, so it tells me that there's not going to be a lot of like guts and blood and all that stuff. So yeah, that is everything that came in November's horror pack. So let's do a overview. So we got Bloodline, Dead Ant, The Conjuring, and Flatliners. So yeah. And like I said, you guys, I will have a coupon code down in my description box. Make sure to check it out. And as always, you guys, I hope you guys have a good holiday. The holiday season is coming up. I don't know how much filming I'm going to be getting in, because in a week or less, exactly a week, I will be getting induced, and I will be taking care of a lot of things. So I'm trying to get as much filming in as I can before all that happens. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big huge thumbs up. And as always, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes. And I'll see you soon in my next video. You're beautiful. Stay true to yourself and don't let nobody tell you otherwise. See you guys.